Alright guys, I'm going to try to explain this to you the best I can. Then if you need more help, email me. So once we send out the bot, it's going to look like this. 2 emails, one will be from Dropbox, like that, and one will say like tutorial with a link to this video, help, email us, and then have that folder. We send that to it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to have this email from Dropbox, and this is the other email you're going to get. So you're just going to click view folder, and then it's going to come up with both of these folders. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on one, press shift, click on the other, click download. You got to do this on Google Chrome, so it's going to download right there in the corner. You click on it when it's ready. It's going to come up in downloads. Here you go. See, you have the folder Champack. Drag that onto your home screen. Look in that folder and just make sure you have both things in it. See, I got both things. Good. Just make sure you double check that. So the keywords are already set on that anyway, so you don't have to worry about that until you have to hook it up with Google Chrome. The next thing you're going to do is go to this email and click the ext.zip, and then you're going to pick your size. So it's going to come up with 6.5 to 15. I'm going to say I pick a 12, drag that to my screen. So I have this on my screen and that on my screen. You're going to open Chrome, new tab, 3 lines, tools and extensions. Okay, so here's where we left off. We had the size 12 or size whatever in the Champack folder on your screen. And so we're going to take the size 12 and just drag it to Chrome. And now it's going to ask if we want to add it. You click add. It's right there. So that's set up. And then for the Champack folder, going to press, Chrome extensions is going to look like that. You're going to check developer mode, load unpack the extension, and click on Champack. Don't select anything, click on the folder Champack and click select. There it is, Twitter. And now, so how to start the bot in the morning. You want to be on the home page of Twitter. You don't want to be on the Nike store page, because then the bot will keep opening the link with all the info in it when it sees LeBron. So I recommend staying on the home page. You're just going to click refresh one time. If you watch, it keeps on refreshing and it opened that. Let's see why. Oh, okay. They tweeted LeBron in a link. And so open that. So you're just going to click refresh at 7:57, or that's Eastern time, whatever time zone you're in at the time, like 3 minutes before Nike releases it. Click refresh once, and then it will just keep refreshing the whole time. Once someone comes up, it will open that link. I recommend before the release, maybe 10 minutes before, scrolling down completely and follow anybody for now that tweets the word LeBron in a link, because the bot will just open that link. So, and then you can refollow them. So if you have any other questions, just chat us on Facebook or email us.